Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have got something really exciting to unbox and test it out. The brand new GoPro Hero 10. I cannot see it's brand new because it's a 2 years old version camera of a GoPro. But I am super stoked to dive into this and share my first impression on it. So let's start with the unboxing. So I will say let's see the packaging, because first of all it's not a small packaging that you generally get in any of those normal GoPro boxing, but this is a special one with a lot of a bundle package with different stuffs you can get all together that you don't need to buy them separately. So let's unbox and see what we get inside. So let's peel off the side of the box and let's take it out and see what we get inside the box. Okay, slowly moving it out, and as we can see, it's a hard shell kind of a portable box. As I told you before, it's a bundle packaging. There you are getting a lot of stuff, so you can see it's kind of a tough portable hard shell box with a separate packaging that you can carry when you travel for your vlog or productivity purposes, that you can easily carry your GoPro and its accessories around. So first of all, we have here the dual battery charger extension, and it has a Type-C lid. That's well indeed. This is the most challenging stuff that I tried to take it out several times, but I haven't got any success. It's kind of a knob that tighten you with the holders. So next, let's see the batteries. So basically, as I told you guys, that it's a bundle package, so we haven't got not only just one battery, it's a 2 battery package, and in that it's a capacity of 1450 mAh, which will provide you around 1.5 hours of recording on a single battery if you are recording it in 1080p, or 1 hour for 4K 60 FPS. And looking more into that, there are those challenges now that I tried before, and now I'm trying it again, but I cannot get any success. Now let's move on to the next of them. Here I tried seeing into the things what it can be, but generally I haven't got the idea on the first version, but then I realized, okay, this is a kind of a mounting kit they have provided, where you can stick those mounting kit on some of the surfaces, on your car, on your bikes, on your helmet, or even if you're a surfer or a board user, you can just use it right from there, and you can easily take the your pictures or your videos or capture yourself using the GoPro, because GoPro is kind of a small compatible camera that you can use it. Alright, in this bundled boxing, I like the stuff most, because this is the thing that we require to keep our videos and memories captured, right? So it's a 64 GB SSD card that we got with GoPro, and there are some of the pamphlets now, and this is mostly detailing about how to start up the setup, how to do the battery charging, plus how to put the batteries and these SD card within the GoPro, and then how you can start it and run through for your setup process. Right. And next we will see some of the pamphlets which will showcase the detailing about their warranty, their specification, and how to use it, and in which kind of environment you should avoid to use. So those are the general pamphlet that you usually get with every kind of electronic gadgets. If you say smartphones, laptops, which are those are most detailing that nobody likes to read at any moment of time. It's like law book read for electronic gadgets that nobody likes to do. All right. Next, moving on to that, as I told you, the law book of the electronic gadgets, the warranty guide. All right, putting it all aside, I will keep that one because it will come quite handy how to open that lid and put all those two of the batteries and the SD card component inside that, because it's the first time I'm using it. I need to know how to do it. So let's start with the main showcase, main, as I can say, the hero of this show or the video. So I would like to take out the action camera now and let's see how is it. So while I try to struggle in between with my small nails and to open it, I like to quite specify some of the specification, as I wanted to tell you that the megapixel count of this camera is generally 20 megapixels, and it's not the biggest one. That they have the max mode lens that have the extension differently from there, that you can extend to 1-inch sensor that will provide you more in-depth field as a DSLR camera when you're capturing the videos, like a portrait video or the portrait pictures with a natural blur background. This is not that, but at the same time, I want to tell you guys that it comes with a touch screen, not with a front touch screen, which is a selfie camera that you can use to record yourself in a selfie video or the selfie portraits or the selfie pictures too. But at the same time, this is a touchscreen camera which you can use to record the 1080p 30 fps or 60 fps videos, plus also the 4K 30 plus 60, and also it does comes with 5K video recording. That's I want to tell you, because I've never seen that in the smartphone case, because we have directly lived from the 4K to 8K, but we haven't lived to the 5K recording. Here we get the 5K recording, and it's quite a stabilized one, that I can tell you for sure, that I have seen in different videos. As I was telling you about the specification, now we are talking about the how to open this lid, because I faced quite of a challenge of my own, because this is the first time experience for me, guys. So yeah, little bit later I get used to it and I know how to open the lid later on, and how in which phase I need to put this battery and the SD card. So that's there. It's always, they say, first time you are gonna learn, and next time with the practices you are gonna get perfect with everything you do. So that's their mind struggle for the first time. Later on I started doing it very quite comfortably. Now if you want to see, let's see what we have here. As I was telling about you this specification, so I wanted to lay more on that. So we do get the time lapse here, also the slow motion recording, which you can get up to 120 fps, plus the time lapse recording. And also this have mentioned that they have astronomy mode, some kind of stuff, but I don't see it, because the action cameras that don't have that much kind of what I can say is the clarity in the night, or that much kind of aperture value, or the light they can take in through their lens. I don't see it's gonna provide that much kind of a clarity here. So jumping onto that, let's start the GoPro right now, and let's see how it is. Oh gosh, it's showing the low battery here. So I think it's basically came with a less battery mode. So that's it for now. That's the unboxing of the GoPro. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please like and support my channel by subscribing to it, and also don't forget to press that bell icon, and I will see you next time. Thank you.